Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Walgreens today on Sunday, and I just want to give a thank you to everyone who wished me feeling better and everything. Trust me, it just sucks going to work, and it just sucks. And right now at work, flu and everything is going around. So make sure you're taking some extra vitamin C if you take it, or have some, or take some vitamins. I know we get deals on vitamins a lot, so try to get some extra vitamins. They can't hurt. And if you're from the north like I am, we're expected snow and cold the next couple days, so that's super fun too. But that's that. We're done with the weather. But if you noticed, everyone got the same spend booster of spend $40, get $10 in Walgreens cash, and it's a multi-use spend booster, and it lasts till the end of the year, so you can literally use that as many times as you want. You can also pair that in with the 7 days of savings, which starts today. So today is Oral-B toothbrushes, so you can, it's like 30 to 50% off. I made a short and posted that already, so that's up, so you can see how you can use Rakuten to save extra money and put them together to make a money maker deal. Yeah, if you don't use Rakuten, you're missing out. I use it, and it's just super easy to use. That's all I gotta say. The only drawback is for Rakuten is you only get cash back quarterly, so it's not instant, but that's okay to me. So there is a printable breakdown in case you want to edit it, take it to the store with you so you can have all the deals, so you don't accidentally overspend, underspend, etc. Make sure you clip all the digital coupons you're planning to clip. Remember, Walgreens has a certain amount of clips per coupon. And I think that's it. So without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So we still have this great deal on Secret, Gillette, or Old Spice deodorant. I'm not going to go over the deal, but I do have them in the printable breakdown if you do want to check them out, or you can watch last week's video. Right now, select CoverGirl products are on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. So you can definitely look around and see what clearance your store has. So I know there's a couple options that aren't working are these ones on clearance, these True Blend. Don't grab those. They don't work for Ibotta. Well, the 3 that I scanned don't work for the Ibotta rebate. And then these don't work for the coupon. But you're going to grab one of these clean classic blushes. They are $8.79. Then you're going to grab a mascara for $6.79. So these would be 2 products you would grab. The mascara is going to be half off since it's the cheaper item, so your total for both products will be $12.18. We have a $2 digital coupon for the blush and a $2 digital coupon for the mascara, so you'll be left to pay $8.18 at the register. You'll submit to Ibotta for $4 back on the blush and $4 back on the mascara. It is a limit of 1, making them both just 18 cents. Head & Shoulders right now are on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $7. So you'll grab 2 of them for $14. Use a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $10 at the register, but we'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $6 for both. Now, we have these ones that are smooth and silky, the shampoo and conditioner. They're both on sale, part of that deal. I have them, the shampoo and the conditioner, in my cart. They should be part of the buy 2 get 4, and the digital coupon should attach. I can't find it online, so I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out at the end. We have easy savings on Safeguard hand soap this week. They are on promotion for buy 1 get 1 50% off, buy 2 get $2 in register rewards. So they're $5.49, so one at full price, one at 50% off will be $8.23. We have a $1 digital coupon, so you pay $7.23 at the register. We'll get the $2 register reward for buying 2, plus we'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back when buying 2, making them $4.23 for both. Soft soap and Irish Spring products are on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.99. So you're going to grab two, you can mix and match between the brands. Your total will be $11.98. We have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying two, making them $4.98 for both. Batiste dry shampoo are still on promotion for buy one, get one free. So you can grab the two you like. We do have some digital coupons out there, so if you haven't used them yet, you can grab those and use those for extra savings. Super hot deal on TRESemmé hair care this week. They're on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6 for the shampoo conditioner. The hair stylers are $7.49, so you'll have to adjust your math if that's what you're going to grab. But grabbing two of the shampoo conditioner products will be $12. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll pay $7 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two products, making them $3 for both. Now, if you want to try grabbing this clearance, you're going to look for the Revitalized Color. The shampoo and conditioner are on sale for $3.79. There's no shampoos, so I'm going to leave them. I don't like to have odd sets, really, especially on TRESemmé, since I don't really have TRESemmé that much, so I'm just going to leave it, but this might be an option for you to look for these. Right now, select Crest, Oral-B, and Burt's Bees products are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. You can grab something like one of these toothpaste, or if you prefer, you can grab the toothbrushes that are $5. But grabbing a total of two products that are $5 each will be $10. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $6 at the register, get the $2 register reward for buying two, making them $2 for both. We also have this deal of buy or spend $14, get $7 on register rewards on select Crest and Oral-B products. So there might be coupons for some of the products that you're looking at, or might not, but this is a great way to save on things that we normally don't get savings on. So like these flossers, we don't get that many great deals on them, or something like these cheap toothbrushes, like this one is $14.99, so you'll get the $7 register reward just for buying that, making it $7.99. Select Colgate products are on promotion for buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and select ones are on sale for $4.50. So you're going to look for the Colgate Total products, and you're going to grab two of them for $9. Use a $4 digital coupon, so you pay $5 at the register, get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $1 for both, and then submit to Fetch Rewards. We have a spend whatever offer, so we'll track towards that. There's a really hot deal going on right now for Walgreens toys, games, and plushies. They are spend $50 and you'll get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you may want to do your toy shopping at Walgreens this year so you can earn some extra Walgreens gift cards. I think it's a limit of two though. But also, look at this super cute kitty cat Squishmallow. Oh, it's so cute. Right now, select Tide, Gain, Downy, and Bounce products are on promotion for buy four, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. So the first product you're going to grab are one of these Down Calm 5-ounce scent boosters that are $5.49. Then you're going to grab either the Downy Unstoppables 5-ounce for that price, or the Downy Light for that price for $5.49. The third product you're going to grab is a Downy Rinse and Refresh for $5.49. Lastly, you can grab whatever you have a coupon for. So you can grab something like the Tide Pods for $5.49, the Tide Liquids, the Gain Liquid if your store carries the small Gain Flings. These would be an example of the four products you would grab. Your total will be $21.96. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Downy Calm, a $2.50 digital coupon for the Downy Unstoppable, a $2.50 digital coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh, and a $1 digital coupon for the Tide. You'll be left to pay $13.46 at the register, get the $5 register reward for buying four, making them $8.46 for all four products. So I want to talk about this deal real quick. So we have the 4 for $16, right? That's a normal deal here. But I noticed this in the ad, and I don't know if this is the first time I actually noticed it, but if you look at the ad specifically for this deal, it says you must buy 4 different brands. Now, I haven't noticed that before, but I went online and I added 4 of the same exact item, like I added 4 of the Dawn Power Wash to my cart, and they ring up as 4 for $16 online, even though they're not different brands. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but if you're doing that in store, and just be aware that they might not be 4 for $16. But the tag doesn't specify anything about being different brands or anything, so that's quite confusing. We also have this 4 for $10. This is an easy stock-up price for great savings if these are products that you like and don't have a lot of money to spend. So it's on the Tide Simply products. If your store carries the pods, it includes that as well. We also have these Bounce dryer sheets, or we have this Downy softener, or the smaller trial size of the Downy Unstoppables. Walgreens brand storage baggies are 88 cents each. This is the lowest you'll ever find them, and this is such a great price. You can grab as many or as few as you like, and these are great quality. Like, this is what I use at my house. I will always buy these. So if you need some soda deals this week, Pepsi products, the 12 packs are on sale, 3 for $14.99, or Dr. Pepper is 3 for $15.99. Right now, select Bounty or Charmin Essentials are on promotion for buy 3, get $3 in registry rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. So you'll grab whatever 3 you like between the Bounty or Charmin Essentials. The other $5.49. Your total will be $16.47 for all 3 products. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, so you'll pay $15.97 at the register. Get the $3 registry reward for buying 3 products, making them $12.97 for all 3. Now, essentially, this is not the best deal, but this is way better than paying full price. Alright, y'all, this is everything I'm grabbing today. Let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, so let's go over everything that I grabbed. I actually remembered to show you guys what I grabbed. So I grabbed the CoverGirl, the laundry deal, and the Head and Shoulders. So, as you can see, this is the 50% off CoverGirl item. Then we have the laundry, $5.49, blah, blah, blah. Head and Shoulders, so one ringing at $9.99 and the other one ringing at $4.49, exactly like the tag said. And then I was like, what is it? The last CoverGirl item, so the full price one. For registry rewards, I had 2 5s and a 4 that I rolled, and then for digital coupons, we had the $4 for the Head and Shoulders, and then 3 250s for the 250s for the laundry products. I guess I lost my train of thought. One of the CoverGirl coupons did not come off, even though I was very careful on like the colors that I chose, and I even scanned them to make sure they both came off, or like scan them in the app. So I'm not sure which one didn't come off. And then the $1 digital coupon for the tag came off. So my subtotal was $15.12. I was using the spend for the booster, so I did get the $10 in Walgreens cash. And then I did get the $5 registry reward for the laundry deal. And then I did not get the registry reward for the Head and Shoulders. So I'm going to actually put a ticket in for it, just because specifically this product is shown on the ad sale thing. So I don't know. We'll see if I actually get it or not. I mean, oh my gosh, stop falling over. But together they were like $5.50 for both after or before the registry reward, so I think that's not that bad of a price regardless if I don't get it back. So it's not the end of the world to me, because Head and Shoulders is really expensive and we don't get that good deals for it. So it is what it is. Just be aware that it may not print for you. Then I submitted to Ibotta for $8, making my whole transaction $7.12. It was supposed to be $5.12. So unfortunately, third week in a row that I have to reach out to Walgreens customer service and be like, give me my money back. Or, well, you know what I mean. Give me Walgreens cash so I cannot use Walgreens cash. Anyway, guys, be careful. Make sure you're scanning in store. CoverGirl may not come off even though I grabbed the right color. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.